I'm here at Drogheda Courthouse and I'm demanding a radical new approach on gang crime in Drogheda. There is a sense of horror and dread in the area. People are afraid to open their own front doors when they have a right to feel safe in their community instead of being terrorised by these depraved gangs. So what can be done? Fianna Fáil will strengthen the laws around jailing gang criminals, giving gardai the same powers as they have with the provisional IRA. This would allow the belief of a chief superintendent that someone was involved in gangland crime to be introduced into evidence. Fianna Fáil will increase Garda numbers nationally to 16,000. Also, gardai must be resourced to operate 24-hour, round-the-clock surveillance of gang leaders. The gardai know who they are, they just need the resources to monitor them. We also need to establish a targeted community fund to help steer young people away from criminality and a drug education and awareness programme in an effort to reduce demand for drugs. Fianna Fáil is committed to delivering an Ireland for all. We cannot lose the battle against gangland crime.